Hi everyone, welcome to Dharma Earth's Dose of Dharma, and this is your dose of Dharma for today. Today we'll talk about the karma, minor karma and major karma of stealing karma. Okay, so sometimes according to law, so stealing some properties of low value is not so criminal. Of course, it's all criminal, but less criminal. Stealing something of high value is more criminal. So sometimes according to law, taking a small item is less criminal. Sometimes taking a large item is more criminal. Then sometimes when the properties are equal in value, then it becomes a minor or a major crime according to the nature of the owner. Okay. Then if we look at karma, the karma that if somebody takes some things which belongs to an immoral person, will be minor. Consider if we compare taking things belonging to a moral person. Okay, so if somebody steals from a moral person, maybe, for example, somebody steals $100 from a moral person and somebody steals $100 from an immoral person, then the karma, the unwholesome karma that's accumulated will be stronger when they steal from the $100 from a moral person. Okay, so it is a greater unwholesome karma to steal from someone who protects the 5 precepts, if you compare it with stealing from an immoral person. So in the same way, it is also even heavier karma, heavier unwholesome karma, to steal from someone who protects a higher morality, and also even heavier if they take something from a novice monk compared to a layperson. And then it is also a heavier unwholesome karma if you take something from a bhikkhu, stealing and it is also heavier to steal things which belongs to the sangha. Okay, so the principle of how demerits or unwholesome karma increases, as shown, must be understood. Okay, when the value of properties and qualities of the owners are equal, then the seriousness increases with craftiness and defilements involved. So when the craftiness and defilements means the greed and the strategy, okay, when they are weak, then the demerit is weak. When they are greater, then the karma is more heavy. That means that when if somebody wants to steal something, then they come up with a lot of ways. They spend many days thinking, planning, and they use a lot of deceit. They use a lot of lying and things like that. Then after that, they manage to steal it. Then this is heavier compared to somebody just see and just go take like that. Okay, all are unwholesome, but the amount of time and energy and effort taken to plan and all the unwholesome intentions, all these will add to the seriousness and heaviness of the unwholesome karma. Okay, like that. So demerits increases also when the morality of the owner is higher. When the owner's mind is purer, then the demerits also increases. Okay, so we can understand like this. That's why if somebody stays in a monastery, then it is very easy to accumulate wholesome karma. But for those who are evil and like to break the 5 precepts, like to steal, like to kill, then they may be in a position where they may create even more unwholesome karma compared to if they stay outside. But if they come and they learn Dharma and if they are trying to change, sadhu, sadhu, sadhu. No problem for that. The problem only lies in when stealing from moral persons, noble ones, or even arhants. This is the problem, especially for stealing from sangha, like that. Huh? So when lay people go to the monastery, then it is better sometimes if they know that some things belongs to sangha, then they should ask permission from the sangha to use it. Okay, this is to protect them. Okay, so with this, this is your dose of Dhamma for today. We shall all be well, peaceful, and happy. And may the Triple Gem bless all of us to be able to attain path, fruition, and nibbana as soon as possible. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu.